Welcome back to Adi Quanta. It's time to test your knowledge. 20 general knowledge quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start. Which company developed Windows OS? A. Apple. B. Microsoft. C. Google. Your correct answer is B. Microsoft. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Process Unit. B. Central Processing Unit. C. Computer Personal Unit. Your correct answer is B. Central Processing Unit. Which device is used to input text into a computer? A. Monitor. B. Keyboard. C. Printer. Your correct answer is B. Keyboard. Which company makes iPhones? A. Samsung. B. Apple. C. Nokia. Your correct answer is B. Apple. What does RAM stand for? A. Random Access Memory. B. Read Access Memory. C. Run Access Memory. Your correct answer is A. Random Access Memory. Which browser is developed by Mozilla? A. Chrome. B. Edge. C. Firefox. Your correct answer is C. Firefox. What does URL stand for? A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Universal Resource Link. C. Unique Resource Locator. Your correct answer is A. Uniform Resource Locator. Which storage device has no moving parts? A. HDD. B. SSD. C. DVD. Your correct answer is B. SSD. Which company owns Android OS? A. Apple. B. Microsoft. C. Google. Your correct answer is C. Google. What does Wi-Fi stand for? A. Wireless Fidelity. B. Wired Fiber. C. Wi-Fi. Your correct answer is A. Wireless Fidelity. Which key is used to refresh a web page? A. F2. B. F5. C. F10. Your correct answer is B. F5. Which company developed ChatGPT? A. Google. B. OpenAI. C. Meta. Your correct answer is B. OpenAI. What does GPU stand for? A. Graphic Processing Unit. B. General Processing Unit. C. Global Processing Unit. Your correct answer is A. Graphic Processing Unit. Which app is mainly used for video calls? A. Excel. B. Zoom. C. Notepad. Your correct answer is B. Zoom. What does HTML stand for? A. Hypertext Markup Language. B. High Text Machine Language. C. Hypertool Multi-Language. Your correct answer is A. Hypertext Markup Language. Which company owns YouTube? A. Meta. B. Amazon. C. Google. Your correct answer is C. Google. Which is an example of an operating system? A. Windows. B. Chrome. C. Excel. Your correct answer is A. Windows. What does USB stand for? A. Universal Serial Bus. B. Ultra Speed Bus. C. Unique System Board. Your correct answer is A. Universal Serial Bus. Which company makes Surface laptops? A. Apple. B. Dell. C. Microsoft. Your correct answer is C. Microsoft. Which device is used to display output? A. Keyboard. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. Your correct answer is B. Monitor.
Well done. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to Adi Quanta for more general knowledge quizzes. Keep learning, keep winning. See you in the next challenge.